Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 AI tools for streamlining business operations. These tools can help you automate tasks, improve decision-making, and provide better customer service. Jasper is a powerful AI writing assistant that can help you create high-quality content quickly and easily. Jasper can write blog posts, articles, emails, and more, and it can even generate creative content like poems and scripts. Jasper uses machine learning to understand your writing style and preferences, so it can create content that is both informative and engaging. Trello is a project management tool that uses AI to help you organize your work, track your progress, and collaborate with your team. Trello can help you stay on top of deadlines, assign tasks, and keep track of changes. Trello also uses AI to suggest new tasks and projects based on your past activity. Hootsuite is a social media management tool that uses AI to help you plan, schedule, and publish social media content. Hootsuite can also help you track your results and measure your social media ROI. Hootsuite uses AI to understand your audience and target your content accordingly. Adobe Sensei is a suite of AI tools that can be used to automate creative tasks, improve image quality, and create personalized experiences. Adobe Sensei can be used for tasks such as photo editing, video editing, and website design. Adobe Sensei uses AI to understand your content and create a more engaging experience for your users. Digital Genius is a customer service platform that uses AI to provide instant responses to customer inquiries and suggest responses to complex questions. Digital Genius can help you improve your customer service and reduce your support costs. Digital Genius uses AI to understand your customers and their needs, so it can provide them with the best possible service. Fireflies is a meeting recording and transcription tool that uses AI to help you capture and share meeting notes. Fireflies can also help you find key insights from your meetings and track your progress against goals. Fireflies uses AI to transcribe your meetings in real time, so you can focus on the discussion. Speechify is an AI voice reader that can help you read faster and more efficiently. Speechify can also help you improve your comprehension and retention. Speechify uses AI to read text aloud to you, so you can listen instead of read. Reply is an AI-driven multi-channel engagement platform that can help you improve your sales and marketing results. Reply can help you automate your sales process, personalize your marketing campaigns, and track your results. Reply uses AI to understand your customers and their needs, so it can deliver the right message at the right time. NeuralText is an AI copywriting platform that can help you create high-quality content quickly and easily. NeuralText can write blog posts, articles, emails, and more, and it can even generate creative content like poems and scripts. NeuralText uses AI to understand your writing style and preferences, so it can create content that is both informative and engaging. If you're looking for ways to improve your business, I encourage you to explore the many AI tools that are available. You may be surprised at how much AI can help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.